Hello everyone, my name is Shani Chen, the sales manager of Dezsmart. We are a selective soldering machine and cleaning machine factory in Bao'an, Shenzhen, China. We started 10 years ago. Our customers are over 20 countries, include Middle East, Southeast, North America, and Europe. And also, thanks for our all valuable partners' support. Let me show you our workshop today. Dezsmart Tech is an innovative tech company specializing in automation equipment. Our experienced R&D team provides comprehensive solutions for electronic industry automation, including intelligent welding, cleaning, inspection, and custom automation equipment. We provide 7x24-hour support. Our expert engineer will provide professional support which they speak English. Contact us for more information. Thanks for watching.